Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make mutton kulambu. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 500 grams of mutton, 2 large onions, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut. Also, prepare your whole spices like cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom, along with common powders such as turmeric, chili, and coriander. These form the aromatic base of our delicious kulambu. Next, let's prepare the heart of our kulambu, the masala paste. Lightly roast 1 teaspoon each of cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and black peppercorns. Combine these with 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut, 1 inch of ginger, and 3 cloves of garlic in a grinder. Add about 1/4 cup of water and blend until you achieve a very smooth, aromatic paste. This step is crucial for a rich flavor. Now, let's start cooking the kulambu. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot. Add 2 thinly sliced onions and 2 slit green chilies, sautéing until they turn a light golden brown. Stir in 2 chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and mushy. Then, add your 500 grams of mutton pieces and the freshly ground masala paste. Mix everything well, ensuring the mutton is fully coated. To finish, add about 1 1/2 cups of water to the pot and pressure cook the mutton for approximately 25 minutes, or until it is perfectly tender. Once cooked, simmer the kulambu on low heat, allowing the flavors to meld and the gravy to thicken until the oil visibly separates. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, garnish your delicious mutton kulambu with fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot with rice, idli, or roti for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.